In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account for your business. First, if you have an account, click this icon and you have to click add another account down here. And once you're here, you'll have an option to sign in, but we don't want that. We want to create an account, and we're going to click for my personal use. And then here I have to fill in my first name, which is just going to be ZanziCafe. That's the demo Gmail account. As for the last name, it's going to be optional. Gonna click next. And then I'm gonna just fill in the information about my birth date. It's January 1st, and I'm gonna set it to 2000. As for the gender, I'm just gonna stick with male. We can select female, but I'm just gonna select male. And I'm going to click next. And right here, I have options. I can select any, but I don't want any of these two. I'm going to create my own Gmail address. So I'm going to click this option, create your own Gmail address. And then here, I'm just going to click the Gmail address that I am interested in. So I'm just going to say ZanziCafe, and I'm going to click it, but the username is already taken. So basically, I'll just do a trick. I will add admin.zanzicafe@gmail.com. So this one passes, and then here I will have to I'll have to fill in password, and I'm just going to fill in the password. And for the confirm field, I'm going to type the same password again. I can show password if I want. I'm going to click next, but the password has to have at least 8 characters. So I'm just going to add more character, and then I'm going to click next. And here I have to scan this QR code. So I'm taking my phone and I'm scanning this QR code, and I'm going to verify. And once I do that, I will have to fill in the recovery email, which is optional, so I'm going to skip it. And then I have my ZanziCafe Gmail. I'm going to click next. I'm going to have to read privacy and terms. So here I just agree to all the privacy and terms. And here we are. We have our new Gmail account, which is admin.zanzicafe@gmail.com. I'm going to dismiss this, and as you can see, I already have created it. So basically this is it, and you can go ahead and test for by clicking Gmail, and as you can see, the Gmail is already created. Or you can go ahead and test for YouTube, and this is my YouTube channel for the ZanziCafe. Thank you very much for watching.